Yo, so I know it's bright as shit, my bad. But on my way to meet in Millersville for like the Hunt Valley Cars and Coffee. They're doing like a little cruise today. Hopefully my car can make it. It's like an hour. It is like struggling already. It's like making some go, nigga. It's like making some weird ass noises and shit. Yeah, cause A-Rob going. Hopefully he gets there on time, cause y'all know he late and shit all the time. I catch y'all just got gas. Nigga, stay in your lane. Look, these two, like, I wish I could show you, but it's fucking autofocus. And hopefully this mic works, because we're having issues with the mic.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
So like we're here. We just saw like a bunch of cars like on the windshield. Look at this shit. I don't know. Yeah, this is kind of bigger than Peggy. Like people still playing up. It's the thing.
Also, I can take that right there.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's yellow. It was in Ocean City. Yep. It was.
So that's my dream right there. I want a GT3R Bentley though, but they don't make them no more.
Hey, good morning, sir. Good morning, man.
Unless they end up making the Bentley GT.
I don't think they're gonna see. I'm just here, don't mind me.
I probably just gonna go.
I'm following you, so it's whatever. I love you too, shit. Hold the fuck up. Hold the fuck up. Hold the fuck up.
It looks like somebody took a chisel and
This is goals right here, bro.
I'm not joking. I touched it.
It looks good as shit in person.
Yeah.
That's why you need cameras, man, on your car.
Somebody, I have camera. I have.
I wish John was here. Who said you can drive off? This shit right here. Hey, oh, where the fuck did he come from? Hey, get out of here. Check him out. JVM gang. Yo, I'm gonna get one on my Accord. Look at the tips. I don't care, like, I'll take these cars like over supercars any day. Like, they're beautiful, bro. Like, supercars, yeah, they're cool, but
where they have the new road, they're making it. All these new chips because of that.
Yeah, that's why I don't really daily this car. Going to boxes first?
Yeah, you going? That lunch meat sandwiches. What is it, Billy Ray sandwiches or some shit? That's his name? That is Billy Ray sandwiches or some shit. That's his name. Billy Ray sandwiches. Look what he did. He was probably drifting again, y'all.
No, I was not.
Hey, I got footage. I got video footage of you.
I knew you got video
Look, there go the numbers. Look. That's what he does, y'all. Y'all know what he does. I'm about to go troll. This guy's talking about his burnout antics and drifting and shit. See that shit? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck are you doing? Bro. much shit going on. It's like Hunt Valley and shit. Hold up. Look at that. Fucking. Look at this.
Plus the interior red.
Duck. Finding Nick. You did this to me. This is what I want to do. What the fuck? Hey! You! Fuck it. I don't know what A-Rob's doing, but I'm gonna have to go fucking rock. He can talk all day, so I'm leaving.
It's like one of the biggest engines you can find. And then
So, Lmfaoo. Hey, fuck off. Oh shit, look. It's crustless. Fuck off. Look at this. They think they so cool because they are the crew. I'm just kidding. It's like fucking too much. I'm just here. I'm gonna get a picture of this shit. Like people are like fucking in the way and shit. You little niggas ain't up. Hold up. I'm about to get a picture of these motherfuckers in the way. It's like too much going on. What's up?
You know, Connor, I needed to learn. Yeah, I needed to learn that the bike is on.
Yeah, sure, me too. Oh, kitty. Come on. Hey, no. Hold up. I'm zoomed in. Yeah, sure, me too. Been there a few times myself. This shit is like clean, bro. Stance. I don't know. All I know is stay away from Mopars. Hopefully that Mopar group doesn't come. Because they cray. What's up, bro?
Well, except for that last girl.
This is like too much.
yes, exactly.
I was blown away. I was like,
So I did it. What the fuck? Oh. Alright, this dude is like trying to pull out and these people are like in his way.
That's what she said.
you know, they got everything. I say GTI.
kind of comparison.
There's so many goddamn people here. Something's coming. Look at a homie right there. That old school shit.
What is this?
As far as like why I'm not getting close up, I'm talking to the vlog, so as far as I'm like not getting close up, cause like people are like in the way. Keon, this is for you. Right there. I want to take pictures, bro, but like people are so ignorant. Like they're like in my way. Hold on, is this the? Does anybody know if this is like the dude from like the? I don't. Hold up. I think this is. I don't know if this is him or not. No, it's the guy that had a M4. He came to like one of the.
Okay, you take it easy.
He came to like one of the froyo meets, but I don't know. He has an M4 like this.
I want to put it back. We'll put it back for very cheap.
Oh, check it out, man.
Ah, fuck it. Bear with me. Bear with me. Come on, I'm just here. Don't mind me. Hit him. Run him over. Beep at him. Like, it's a camera. Get over it, dude.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.